Hey guys, Trey here from TS Lighting. I was going to show you guys today just real quickly how to use insert commands. They're very useful when making just complex things, but they're actually very simple. So I'm just going to show you a real quick one, easy one today, which is called release command. So let's make a new cue list. In this cue list, let's say we have some lights come on, and let me patch in some lights real quick just so we have something. I actually made one of these the other day that was for some audience blinders. So we'll come over here. We have our one dimmer, and I'm going to set it to full in this cue list. And as you can see, I'll go over to timeline. Alright, so we have that dimmer at full over 2 seconds. What I'm actually going to do is, since I want this to be more of just a quick blind, I'm going to drag this down so it's an instant. And then I want to insert a command what I want this cue list to do is release once it's played that. And the reason doing this is so that when you hit the play button, it's done. It's different, for me it's different from a flash button where, this is a little more like, all right, I know what's going on here. I want it to fade out at 2 seconds, but I want it to come on instantly. We could set up a multi-part cue, but this is more just to kind of show you guys where insert commands can come into play. So let's go to Tools, and first let's actually exit out of this so we can save it and name it. So I'm going to name this Blind, and I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to go back over and open Blind. There we have it. So we got it reopened up now. Now it's got a name. We're going to go to Tools, Insert Command, and we're going to hit, we want our action to be release, and we want the target to be the cue list Blind. We're going to insert that in. As you can see, it added it right here. We're going to close this. Now, we could activate it right here, but it's just going to release itself instantly. And I want when the lights to pop, I want them to stay on for a second. So I'm going to actually move this over to 0.5, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to head back over here, and really this cue time could actually be a 0.5. That's not a big deal when we can change this over. So I'm going to exit out of here and save and release, and let's go ahead and come over to playback, highlight it out, and we're going to hit play. So as you can see, when I hit play, came on and it released right on itself. So what's really nice is when you throw this on a console, we'll go over to console view, and I'll just throw it over to the console real quick. It's something that when you hit this, it's going to pop those blinders and then it's going to release itself and it's done. It's not something that you have to go back and release. If you're doing a lot of things in your show, this is a nice pile-on effect. But as you can see here, play, bang, and it's releasing. So this is just a quick show of what insert commands can do. Insert commands have a bunch of different commands that you can use within them. So feel free to play around. Let us know if you need any help, and check out our other videos on the TS Lighting channel. Thanks, guys.